Ask yourself these two simple questions. How many people do you know that use a smartphone every single day? How many of those people use a smartphone to get on the internet? We all know it's everyone we know. And World Mobile is here to help. We've created the very first independent mobile network and deployed it in over 86 countries. Mr. Galdi had to think outside of the box for this one. Thanks to an inclusive idea that he had, rather than exclusive, he knew that he wanted to create a new approach to worldwide mobile connectivity because it's never been done before. He knew that was going to introduce a substantial change to the concept of how mobile networks work. He took the crowdsource approach to build the first independent mobile network made and owned by you and I, the people, and to provide mobile connectivity to all individuals across the globe. Thus, the space station was born. The space station is a microcell device, a mini cell tower, if you will. It provides the same 4G LTE signal that you're used to using right now on a daily basis. Mr. Galdi has just reconfigured it to work on the unlicensed spectrum of 5 gigahertz. That's frequently used by Wi-Fi, so it's available everywhere in the world and it does not require a license. It's also a low emissions device, so it's much safer to use than many devices on the marketplace today. This is a very simple yet brilliant idea. By building a global independent mobile network that's made and owned by you and I, the people, and by simply moving the 4G LTE signal that each of us use every single day to the unlicensed spectrum at 5 gigahertz, it created a new category for being able to earn in the mobile industry. Let's see how MCell works. We all know that in a traditional cellular network, you need to use your operator's towers to connect to the internet. For instance, if you're on Verizon, you cannot connect to TELUS or Shaw, and vice versa. What Fabio has done is created a revolution in wireless, a paradigm shift. Instead of connecting to towers that are serving tens of thousands of users at a time, World connects you to thousands of personal microcells all around the globe. You see, the solution is in our hands. By using the MCell technology, it gives us more bandwidth, faster connection speeds, as well as clear call quality, and all without having to share on the towers that serve thousands of users at a time. The question becomes, how do we make this happen for you? It's very simple. All you have to do is install a space station in your home, in your office, at your kid's school, at the church, at the community center, at the dentist office, at the coffee shop, at the donut shop, anywhere you can think of. This space station becomes your own microcell. You own it. It handles all your mobile connection and communication needs. It's also the only device in the world that will allow you to make money like a mobile operator. By installing millions of these personal microcells across the globe, and because we have developed strategic partnerships now with over 200 mobile networks, World is building an independent mobile network that provides each of us a direct 4G high-speed connection via our MCell-enabled device. You see, the secret of this independent mobile network is you and I. Anyone can participate in this project. You can become an owner today of this independent mobile network and start earning like a mobile operator. How does it work? When anyone on the globe, whether they're in North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, it does not matter. When they make a call, send a message, or surf the internet via our MCell signal, that generates revenues, and those revenues are shared with you and I instead of with the big mobile companies out there. Remember, this is our network. The total revenue, of course, depends on the number of microcells that we get installed around the world and the time that each user spends on their own network. Today, you have the opportunity to invest in your own network. By installing one or more of these microcells, you will receive a passive income that is never less than 30% a year on the value invested. And they're going to tell you that that kind of ROI is fantastic. And in fact, they may ask you where they can get in on it. You know, only World can give you these kinds of benefits. There is no other company out there that can offer you the mobile calling plans that we have on a private network. Now let's take a look at the products and services that are offered via the M-Cell signal. First, we start with our M-SIM. This is a SIM card like any other SIM card. It is a one-time yearly cost of $119. There are no monthly charges. There are no hidden fees. This SIM card then gives you 50 gigs of data, 50 gigs every single month for the next 12 months. Do you realize that's just over $10 a month? This works in 86 countries on our local partners' 3G and 4G networks. It will work seamlessly wherever you travel. It comes 3G, 4G ready. Again, 50 gigs of data every single month in more than 80 countries using our Stay Connected profile. We'll also give you unlimited M-Cell messaging as well as unlimited WhatsApp because they've now partnered with us as well. Now you do have to have a dual SIM phone for this to work because this is a data-only SIM card. There is no voice attached to it. Well, what do you do if you don't have a dual SIM phone? I have the answer for that as well. Welcome to our Space Phone 5GS. This phone comes with that M-SIM already in it. So when you get your phone, there's no monthly charges, no hidden fees. You've already paid for a year's worth of data at 50 gigs a month. You simply open the box, turn on your phone, and you are connected online in more than 80 countries using the existing 3G, 4G networks. People ask, who makes your phone? Well, World makes their phones. In fact, World makes all of their own products. Mr. Galdi, remember, has been an inventor all of his life. He already has his own R&D department as well as his own manufacturing plants. You might be wondering if our phones and our products are quality products. Well, there's a gentleman by the name of Antonio DeRosso, very well known in the industry. He's designed phones for companies such as Apple and HTC and Samsung and many others. He has designed not only our phones, but all of our technology pieces. This is an Android-based phone, and it will do everything that any other Android-based phone out there will do. But it will also do some things that no other phone will do, like connect to the best signal available. And it's the only phone in the world that will allow you to connect to our 5 gigahertz signal. Our calling plans start at just $49 a month, so they're very affordable no matter who you are. That $49 a month includes unlimited national and international calls, as well as gives you another 50 gigs of data every month. Now you've got 100 gigs of data per month. It gives you an additional 512 gigs of cloud storage space that is secure, as well as unlimited live message translations into 50 different languages. Then we also include a 1,000-seat video conference room. Now guys, we know that those kinds of rooms go for about $500 a month. Here you're getting all of that for just $49 a month. No contracts, no credit checks. $49 a month. And the company says if you will stay connected to our calling plan for 12 consecutive months, they're going to send you a brand new phone every single year. You do not even have to send back your old phone. You can give it to a child or a friend or even donate it to charity if you'd like. Then we have our Space Station Mini. The Space Station Mini allows you to take your 5 gigahertz signal with you wherever you go. And it works in 86 different countries. You simply turn it on. It propagates our 5G signal using the 3G, 4G networks of our partners in over 80 countries. This also is a 5200 mAh power bank, so it will also charge your space phone 2 to 3 times. It has 8 to 12 hours of working time and 100 hours of standby time. It's small, it's compact, it'll fit in your pocket or your purse. And if 100 gigs of data is not enough for you every month, you can actually purchase another M-SIM, place it in your mini space station, giving you 150 gigs of data. Now let's talk about our World Mobile Starter Packs. We have our Mobile Digital Lite. This is all digital products. It's $199 and it'll get you started in business with some digital products. Our mobile digital elite package is just $349. It again is going to give you a bunch of digital products as well as 3 business centers and your personal domain. And that's a one-time $349. The Space Station Master Pack comes with the space station, everything else that you see there for just $499 one time. And then in our store, we have some standalone products. Our space phone 5GS is just $449. And folks, that comes with the eSIM in it that keeps you connected to the internet at 50 gigs of data per month for the next 12 months. Our space station is a standalone $300.